So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to strike through text here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva's opened up on your desktop, what you have to do is to go to the left hand side and add some text to your design. I'll make it a little bit larger as well, so it's easier to see. So once that is done, simply just press on the text you want to or you want to strike through. Press on this, then go to this top bar right here to where there's this S with the strike through it, or where it says strike through. Simply just press on that, and then you can strike through the entire thing. Now, if you want to strike through a certain word, it works the exact same way. What you can actually do is just highlight the word right here. So if I wanted to highlight the word heading, and then press on strike through just like that, the only word that you selected will be struck through. So very simple, very self-explanatory. That is how to strike through text here on Canva using Canva Desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.